Chia seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to your diet for overall well-being. The antioxidants in chia seeds, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, help combat oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells, leading to inflammation, aging, and various diseases. By consuming antioxidant-rich foods like chia seeds, you can protect your cells from this damage and support your body's natural defense mechanisms. Chia seeds' antioxidants fight free radicals, promote skin health, and boost the immune system. The skin is our body's largest organ and is constantly exposed to environmental stressors that can accelerate aging and damage skin cells. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like chia seeds into your diet can help protect your skin from oxidative damage, maintain its elasticity, and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. They help reduce inflammation, enhance immune cell function, and protect against infections and diseases. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Regularly consuming chia seeds can boost your antioxidant intake and strengthen your body's defenses against harmful pathogens. To maximize the benefits of antioxidants in chia seeds, consider pairing them with other antioxidant-rich foods. Berries, dark leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are all excellent sources of antioxidants that complement chia seeds' nutrient profile. Try adding chia seeds to a smoothie with berries, sprinkling them over a salad with leafy greens, or incorporating them into homemade energy bars with nuts and seeds for a delicious and antioxidant-packed snack. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like chia seeds into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your health and well-being. Stay tuned as we explore the incredible benefits of chia seeds in this video. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that play a vital role in supporting various aspects of our health, including brain health, heart health, and inflammation reduction. Chia seeds are a valuable plant-based source of these beneficial fatty acids, making them a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet. Regarding brain health, omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for cognitive function, memory, and overall mental well-being. DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid found in chia seeds, is essential for brain development and function. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can support your brain health and potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Omega-3 fatty acids are also known for their heart-healthy benefits. These essential fats can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Omega-3 rich foods like chia seeds can support cardiovascular health and promote a strong and healthy heart. Omega-3 fatty acids have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that benefit brain and heart health. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. By including omega-3 rich foods like chia seeds in your diet, you can help reduce inflammation in the body and support overall wellness. Chia seeds are a convenient and versatile plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, making them an excellent option for vegetarians or vegans. These tiny seeds are easy to incorporate into many dishes, from smoothies and oatmeal to salads and baked goods. To boost your omega-3 intake with chia seeds, add them to your morning smoothie. Mix them into yogurt or overnight oats, or use them as a topping for salads or soups. For a delicious and nutritious snack, you can also use chia seeds to make omega-3 rich chia pudding, energy balls, or homemade granola bars. Stay tuned as we explore the significance of chia seeds in this video.